Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to share this box with you. This is a purchase that I made from Acclaim Crafts. And she posted that she sells, her and her husband sell these bead boards, and I was like, I need to check this out. Okay, so I finally got this box open, and wow, it is very well packaged. But they have like these corners on here that keep it protected, and they have bubble wrap. So look at that, and it is big, y'all, and I'm so excited. It is, let's see, about 15.5 inches, and just a little shorter from top to bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. They have other bead boards too. There's another one that I want to get. It's heavy, like good quality. God, I'm so excited. It's not even funny. Very good quality. Here is their logo. So thank you. What's this? Oh, I think these are, so these are the little, I think they're little feet for the bottom of it. So I'll probably put the feet just right here on each corner. So this is her card. That's their info and their website. John and Lori Walker. So check them out. It's definitely worth the money. The shipping is a little high too, but it's because of how they secure your package too. And it was here like as soon as she shipped it, it was here within days. Like it didn't take that long as soon as she shipped it. And it actually didn't take long for her to ship it either. She's very sweet. So like so my thoughts, I love making bracelets, and like I want to be able to put my beads and findings and everything like where I can see it. So like it has all these little compartments, and I wonder if this is for like another, like a necklace or something like that, you know, to make a necklace. Then it has all these other little boxes. So if like I want to, let's say you got, you know, your monthly bead boxes and you want to share with everybody. This has all the compartments you need. Like you can put everything on this bead board and look in one glance everything that you want to use or you need without like having to pull packages out, put them back, you know. You will have everything here. So I'm going to share. I used to do bead boxes. I had some subscription boxes. I just haven't been able to do them anymore. I have one that I have saved. It is a Beauty and the Beast box, and I want to show how it looks on this bead board. So if I put everything out here, you know, you can see what I'm, you know, my vision of how to use this board.